Kokobiri Master is back again. There, this Kokobiri Master, Sole, Asologun. Odela. Oh, yeah, this is the Kokobiri Mama. Yes. Yeah, this is the Kokobiri Master in a different style tonight. It's the middle of the night. This 9 segment we want to talk about man to make woman happy. How we can make a woman happy. I said every weekend, come be like say a Sologun style. This nice tone a Sologun. With this now we are take comments. So we want to talk about how Elijah matter how to sole. How you feel sole to make woman happy. So tonight we want to talk about to make a woman happy, how to sole. Now put on for this night because this night and night where people don't sleep. So we the adults will come know how to sole because why? We dey see many things where they happen for the society where our women and our men don't know how to sole. Good morning, Justina Fomo. But we don't touch to come decide to come out this night to talk about how man will make a woman happy. Now many women don't they cry, don't they complain. Happy weekend, Elijah Matter. Many women don't they complain. Say men don't know how to dig the thing. Now I be man based on say we want to teach some men and make women hear their view how they fit enjoy and how women will make them happy. But based on my style wey me know and the style wey you know with your experience you go come my line and we go talk about how can we make a woman happy because we get different style how to pamper woman, how to romance woman, how to kiss woman, how to a lot of men don't know how to kiss. A lot of men don't know how to romance. A lot of men be saying that you have to hold the cassava, put her inside. Holding and putting is not the most important thing. You get cassava. Some men get the cassava, they don't know how to use her. But some men get some more, they know how to use her. Now we want to begin teach people how to use her and how women go know how to romance and how men to romance. As it dey for men, and so it dey for women. We get women wey still dey, they don't know how to romance women. Many women they are good morning Sarafina Joy. Many women now just to lie down like papa and mama. Many women they don't feel bed down low. Many women they don't feel give you star. So we as the professor come out, come lecture so that maybe they get job for our matrimonial home. Why? People go ask you because Kokobiri Master, you hear why you be say your marriage still dey happy, you still dey with your wife upon everything they do. Because why? I use my hand to do my own well. That is why I'll still teach you the style, the techniques wey I dey use. Wey be say the joy dey my own. I go teach you how to make a woman happy. You see many relationship now. Many women, many men, then they take drug. Drug not be the ultimate thing. Who they call me so? Not be for you to take tablets. Who is calling me? Unicorn is coming. Hello. Irela with Minaya Lao, Feyola Union. Irela. YouTube is you. Irela Feyola ye. Umasen Feyola Irela. Ela mejelane. Irela. So many women don't know. You know why? And I will let you know about this issue where they talk about. So we say how to make a woman happy. There are women, there are things we don't understand about men and women. There are women you can't satisfy them. Good morning, Eno Danny. That is my love. I give you kiss from Weirdo to you in Canada. That Eno Danny, I give you that my beloved sister in Canada. Love to you. Now, we are talking about this issue about how can we make a woman happy. Now, many women and many men, they don't know how to make themselves happy. You know about this thing. And I will let people understand today, kissing and romance, it get different dimension. Touching queen, it get different dimension. There's difference between touching queen and sexy queen. Romance queen different from touching. Let me tell you one thing. We get the way you romance. People believe romance now to owe, just to owe. But touching queen, I want to tell you how to touch and romance. You know, people believe say I romance woman, you do like dog monkey, cheap as touching queen is the best. How can you touch a woman to make her release, even without you pluck in toto? There are the way you touch a woman. Kiss you, my love. There are the way you touch a woman. Good morning, my schoolers. I never sleep with my schoolers all the way from I never sleep. Now this night, good morning, evening. Now this night we dey touch about kissing and romance. Now, this night I keep on say, if na few people you are not wan cry this night, I make I do am the middle of the night so that we go know the way we go take do am. You know, now this night when you enter in toto, now this night as you dey best, when the man plug am, you go feel am. This night na night wey be say we wan know how to romance and kiss. How to romance and kiss. Now, we dey talk about kissing, we dey talk about romancing, we dey talk about touching. Now, how can we romance or touch a woman to make her happy, to make her wet, to make her come, to make her release? A lot of men, not be by drug yourself, take tablet to make woman come. No. Now, there are styles. If you see me, so I just close for walk, bath, chill out, talk. Kissing day. You know, many men don't know how to kiss woman. Let me tell you, people want to know how to kiss woman. Kissing, they are the way you put your tongue for the head of a woman, forehead of a woman. If you use this your tongue, remember, just put on. You know, when you put tongue like this for the woman head, baby, put the tongue here. Come on, baby. Let the tongue come to the baby here. Take the tongue to the eye. May your tongue go to the eye of the woman. Get the eyebrow. Use your tongue. Go to the ear of the woman like this. But when your tongue they move for this woman, and this your tongue, so position your tongue well. As the tongue, no, so when you the old woman, you they kiss the tongue, they give her your tongue. Make sure clean your hand. First of all, when you the woman, you first hold the woman hair like this. Listen, as your tongue did the edge, make sure say your hand did the edge. No, so when as your tongue they move to the eyebrow, to the other left hand brow, your hand they move like this. As the tongue put on for here, let the tongue come near here. You take the tongue pass it at the eye. The woman will shake, ale. Take the tongue to the ear. The woman will say, ale. You go to say, ah. You will say, ale. Your hand, your hand, they go down. Your hand is going down. Where this hand they go? Hold your arm, make it go the way. They go down the woman. Keep your tongue. Put the tongue to the ear. Let the tongue, put the tongue to touch all the ear. Use the tongue, lick all the two ear. But not lick woman when not they wash ear. Any woman when not they, if you put your tongue, if you beat her, there are some women when you put your tongue for the ear, no say they beat her, no say the woman a dirty woman. So please, brother, one are the lick woman for this woman where they teach you touching. There are women when you put your tongue, they don't know how to wash ear. So no, if you put tongue, if you say ear dirty, my brother, move that ear. You go move the exchange. You understand? Shut up. Don't pass it. Anything I they teach people, not they talk that one. Don't pass it. Don't use that one. Now you they tell me what they talk. I'm teaching romantic queen, kissing queen, sexy queen, how to plug a woman. In my topic, not nobody tell me how to do it. Now you pay my wife bride price. Now me pay my wife bride price. Me na I pay her, not be you. So no, they talk. I'm married. I'll teach you the lesson. So you don't talk. Learn. Kiss a woman. Put the ear. As you put ear. No, people they talk. People they write nonsense on their head. People no get sense. And they teach you sex education. It's for adult. No choose that one. There are things I do. Because they make me they talk nothing. Person will not know. I am a man, and I'm teaching a lot of men who don't know how to romance, who don't know how to kiss. As I be so, this kissing queen, romancing queen, touching queen, where I want to teach you now. So, my dear, I know many of us go wet tonight. Many of us go release. It good, may we wet, may we feel out tonight. Now joy, now give you now tonight. So, this night where they teach you how to touch. So, the touching are grade 1 touching. You know, a lot of people don't know how to touch women. Why you see so many women they go outside, our men don't know how to romance. Romance, you know, get the way you romance a woman. Put that tongue. Put on. May I hold this thing? If you hold this thing, you know, if you hold the woman, be like say this now woman now. This now woman. This woman, this now the head of the woman. May we take these two water and the eye of the woman. When you put your tongue here, from the head of the woman. Put your tongue, come on, baby. I said, one, this now the ear of the woman. First, put your 2 hands, your nail. You know, when they kiss woman, put your 2 hand for the ear. May I teach you now? When you do romance woman, if you put your 2 ear, I say, if you put your tongue for the ear, do the ear like this. Come on, there is power in when you touch ear. There is power when you touch ear. The moment you dey kiss the you go see the woman go dey scream like Olobia. Well, Ale. You go dey do Ale. What all you need to do make get to hallelujah. The moment they say Ale, you go say, yeah, baby. Ale, yeah, baby. Ale, yeah, baby. Because your hand, when tongue don't dey woman here, it dey touch the eye. Put the tongue, and you take the tongue, go here. Take the tongue, go put for the lips like this. You know, there are different type of kissing. You carry your tongue, not put on for inside lips. You take on tongue. No, when you dey do it, the woman go give you tongue like this. You go take on touch her, baby. Use your tongue, take you. The woman feel say you want to put her inside, not put her inside. Take the tongue down. Come on, dear. The tongue, let the tongue go down. As you put the tongue go down, take the tongue to the lip, the nipple. Use your tongue, tear up the nipple. Use what? Thank you, eyes of the gods. Use the tongue, tear up the nipple. Use the tongue, tear up the. Thank you, my scholars. Use the tongue, read the nipple. As you use and put up for the nipple like this. As you put your tongue for the nipple, if you put tongue for the nipple, no, you can't. No, use and touch on. No, they are the edge of the nipple. You first know the wicked point of the woman. Some women, when you put tongue for their nipple, don't do like this. But why some go want make you use and pack them? Some women they, as you unless you put them, and some women they. Unless you use your mouth, draw the nipple. But you go never do that one. First of all, use your lip, your tongue, touch all the nipple. If you use it on, take am around that way. Take am to the next nipple. Take am around the. As you dey use am do the nipple, make sure say your hand dey do the down. It dey twinkle the woman. Your hand go dey twinkle. It go dey twinkle now. From there, take the tongue like this, go down. Carry your tongue to the navel of the woman. Make your tongue go the navel of the woman. As your tongue dey into the navel of the woman, you will put your tongue for the navel. No say there is power in navel. My dear, if you put your tongue for the navel of a woman, the woman go be like say your tongue dey the tongue go be like say the tongue dey under. It dey kpekus. Because navel and kpekus dey work together. When you put your tongue for the navel, if you put your tongue, you know when you see the woman say, "Oh baby, take it down." Tell baby I can't take it down. As you put your tongue for the navel, and then you see as you put your tongue, put your tongue and take hold am, pack am well. You know say when you hold woman want make you use 2 hands hold the You know, say when you are not packing where the woman not going to enjoy. Number to Don Bazi. Number there. May I put number? My number. Let me put my number. Don't I get my number before now? Not be every day they put number. Now, may I put my number? When I know my number before, may I put number? May I see people who want to talk? Tell him, may I put number? I believe so. Now get my number. Now every day they put number. This number now see WhatsApp. I don't put number. I don't put number. The number now see WhatsApp. You can call the number that you can call it WhatsApp now. The number. So when you put your, you know, when you put your tongue for here, this thing, use your hand, the packer. Because when you are not the packer, well, no say as you pack on your tongue, they the neighbor. Excuse me. I don't put number there. Don't Bazi to Tonero. I don't put number there. My number don't dey yet. You know so when you put it, you pack on. Oh, gbele. Oh, bale. As you pack on, later you use and touch the two nipple. Use and use your miemi agbon. Oh, miemi. This na sweetness. Me myself, I dey feel as me dey touch my eye, I dey feel use and me I see the sweetness too. As a man, me I even feel it. For me to touch my eye to see the sweetness, automatically sweetness dey with me, dey enjoy am. Use am, touch am. I dey feel oh God. Where somebody? Can someone touch me? Use your hand to feel it there. Come on. Hold on. Let your tongue see the navel. As you do come on. Use your hand. Use your come here. Yes, so I dey see the sweetness. Oh miemi agbon. Oh miemi agbon. Now they call miemi agbon. Women dey enjoy. As you squeeze am. Me I squeeze my way I don't get. I dey feel am myself. Put your tongue go there. As you dey do am, make sure say your navel dey here. Your tongue dey your navel. As you do am, take am, you go hear the woman sometimes. If na woman wey dey like people dey head down, make dem dey lick the salt. The woman go dey say, baby, take it down. Tell the woman, baby, I can't take it down. I'm a traditional man. Not take it down. I don't want me to take it down. Baby, you say, take it down. You say, baby, I don't want to take it down. Put am for the navel. Because you put your tongue for the navel, the woman he don dey throw away. The woman don dey throw away. As you dey do am, you go hear so baby. You say baby, you say baby, I love you, honey, I love you. This kisser, come on, baby. My sweetheart, my jelly cocoa, my banana, my tomatoes. Oh yeah, though. I don't know, say you sweet like that. Oh yeah, though. Cocoa berry monster, berry. You would tell her now you. Adebia, baby, touch me. Take your tongue again. Hold, put on for the woman. Hold on. Hold the 2 hands. Hold the hands sure. Don't pass. I don't put this thing. I don't put number. They find number. Number don't dey there. Number don't dey there. I don't put my number. You go hold and well. Now they hear me. You go call now. Number don't dey already. You go hold and well. As you hold and well. I say we can take it well. Take it down. Hold on. As you do am, you go dey say no, bury, don't bury and go down. Those who want to contribute, so you go do am. So you understand? Yeah, my school lesson good. You go hold on. After you don romance am, therapeutic way you romance. Not when you old woman. I'll tell hold on when baby there. Any baby there here where I feel old. You get where you come after joining that woman. You go come hold on like this. Now you know, say weka na your mouth you take talk, but me and you, now God knows say now you do, because I'm a teacher, and I'm teaching you. You go hold the woman like this. This is romance queen kissy queen. This is a solo. You hold the girl. There the way you can't use your hand hold the yansh. You know get the way you excuse woman yansh. If you hold the yansh like this, come on. No, get where you fold the yansh. Come on, baby. No, many men don't know how to romance woman. No need to press and hold the yansh. Press the hand to your side. No get the way you hold woman, you go press her. The way you do woman, baby. Never give her, not give her a kiss for more. You give her a kiss him. Give her here. Give her for her. Give her here. Give her here. Give her. You dey touch her. Baby. Give her. As you dey do her. The later, you no say at the time that they talk, we never put mouth for lips. So no say that tongue, we never put up for mouth. Later, she dey romance her. This na romancing. Carry this your hand, go the down. You see her, carry and go there. You know say women like down like this. Put your hand. This time, put your tongue for the mouth. Obio. This one suffer. No be some men don't know how to finger. Some men they go dey finger women, go dey bend the woman, go dey pinch her. No. Men need to no make your finger too long because if you dey finger am, you know, men your person have to stroke inside. They dey jab canoe. Jabbing canoe be way to finger woman. No be to jab canoe to finger woman. No. No be more na give me love. You no be laugh. Give me love. No be laugh. Give me love. Now like give me love. Many people no give me love. Many people, my schoolers, will now give me love. Now they give me laugh. Give me love. Many men don't know how to finger women. How can you finger woman? Put this your hand. Some women they like, you know, so when you do the finger, some feel say you're the doing, you're the black say they pack poto. No, when you the finger woman, make sure say this hand, hold on like this, these two finger, there is power. Make sure say join the area coil. The area coil na dey make it a sweet woman. No be to plug her inside. No, use the two as you dey do and kiss. This time now you want put mouth for the woman mouth. You never put mouth see so. Put the area coil. May I put you the call so? The area coil. Hello, caller.
Hello, sir. Good evening, sir.
Good evening, my sister. What is your contribution?
Yeah, I want to contribute for what you dey talk.
Go on, my sister.
Yeah, I say if although first when I would like to contribute, they say one, my brother, not be only love making they make woman happy.
Yes.
You understand?
Yeah.
A lot of men feel say now love making. Only love making they make woman happy. No.
Yes.
A man when fit give a woman that tenderness. You don't need to worry. You don't need to call a woman say he need love. Man, when they give your wife attention, or when they give your girlfriend attention, or when they give your girlfriend that tenderness, or when he care, when know when the girlfriend take they happy, or when not take they happy. Such man, when they always they create time for a woman, that woman they always they feel horny for that man.
Okay.
You understand me? Some men are agbero for bed. They will not feel come to that one. And no woman when you feel make happy when she not go there only with you through her life.
Okay.
But by the time say you know give woman that tenderness when she need from you as a man, no matter how that man go play rich, that woman not dey feel honey. She not go ever feel they in the mood to deal with such a man. That's why it's very, very necessary for a man to know how to take care of their woman. I know say sex is part of relationship, it's part of a marriage, but then sex they come secondly. Now two mind when they sweet, now it says they enjoyable.
Mm-hmm.
You understand me, my brother? Mm-hmm. Before we come to talk of maybe waiting they turn each other on. One, in other way, as they talk around my brain, you are very right. But then, without you asking your woman what turns her on, you feel play with her from 92 hours. Say you never touch that point when they turn her on. She know they come on, brother. That is one thing you have to know.
Okay, now question where I ask you.
The two partners supposed to tell each other, say, baby, what turns you on? This one say, I see what they turn me on. The other one still say, okay, see what they turn me on. You don't need to even play much again. And secondly, some women need that maybe if their guy never finger, they are the rest. All those things where we need to talk, we need to educate ourselves. Before man sleep with a woman, if not the woman when they need that finger tight side, at least that man no say yes, he don't wash here. Even you know all those hand gloves. You know me say you must use your normal hand. Use those hand gloves when the doctors they use for hospital for your woman. Because not only love making, they make love through all those fingering of a thing without you washing your hand very clean before you use it on your woman. She can contact infection through it. Even toilet when they sit down, we feel contact anything. So when we are preaching about sexual side, we'll be preaching about the prevention. You understand? Sex is sweet, yes, as they talk at the corner.
I want to ask you a question. Wait.
That urge.
I want to ask you a question.
If that urge not there, know how you go play with your woman rich show. Now that one I want me get
make I ask you a question. Listen. Hello, my sister. Hello, I want to ask you a question. No. I want to ask you this question. When you say until you touch, you see all the wicked point of a woman. Kissing and wicked point. Kissing the ear and wicked point. Kissing the navel and the nipple and wicked point. Fingering the woman.
Now match they kiss.
No be all man. No, women might gist you if you see woman way match.
Man, wait.
May I ask you question? May I ask you question? Hello, my sister. Hold on. There are women. My friend used to tell me, Jonah, one boy. He said if you carry woman and the woman are con you, he said if you see say the face of the woman, or if you dey romance the woman, when you see say the woman face not be woman you will kiss, you solve it by the romance and use pillow put for your face. The sucky breast. See the face, the teeth no good. Put pillow for the woman breast, for the woman face. Use brain. Now so we dey do on those days. When we see say the face of the woman, we see say he get boop up, he get when we go one enter for we not to kiss that woman. You suffer by from romancing. You carry pillow. She go feel say na romancing. Where you go down from there, put bread man. If he dey breathe you, if he dey breathe one, they breathe man. One go. If they can't go from you, they can't go down. Because you go suffer quick plug on because the face you don't want put mouth. You have to use pillow cooler. Make I tell you on that thing. I want to tell you on that secret where you don't know.
Yeah.
If a woman, there are weak points of a woman. Romancing, touching a woman, play a vital role. When you touch a woman, even before you plug in, some women don't come. I mean, some women they come twice. Now, touching a woman, you now, maybe your wicked point feel your nip, the way the man take suck your orange, or the way man take touch you, or take finger. You know, say many men don't know how to finger. You know, say many men, your officer have to they put on board. You know, say some men, make I tell you, know, say if men they make love.
Now make me talk say some men are agbero for bed.
Now make I want to tell you so many men don't know. The officer you put your husband like this, he has a warlord. No, the area core. Now be the thing. The moment you feel down the area core. The moment you done, you touch on that area core, then they call you. The moment you don't touch the area core, forget me. The woman go through away. When you know say they are the way when woman say no need you, but the moment you get the weak point of the woman, you know say there are times woman say no one give you. You know says why women they deceive women will say make I your touch you, I no go do I want romance. You know why women they do I want ask you as a woman. Why would they do it? Hello my sister.
Is that?
I say why women when we carry woman, the woman say no do we say we want your romance. Why would they do it?
May I say ask you one?
I ask you question. Answer me. They use question for me. Why women they do it?
Okay, the woman say no they do.
He said me we always. He said me we only romance. We also make we romance. She also make we romance. Why would they talk? Say me we only romance. Ask me. Answer that question.
Okay, one. May I use myself to give example?
Tell me not use answer. Tell me why men they say.
I want to answer your question now.
No answer me. Tell me why men they say they want romance. I want know. Just now one point. Tell me not to go far.
Why men they say they want romance?
When woman say no, do you say make I not touch romance? Why?
If that thing don't come out from woman mind, you get how you go romance and reach me she feel only.
I want to tell you lie. Make I tell you today, I be man. I don't need go with one. When woman say he no need something, listen to me very well now. I want to put you right. The woman say no. Why would they say we want romance? When woman say no. Now, woman say no want. It's okay, me and your woman, you go say okay, romance. During romance, as a man, listen, make I answer you, make I tell you, make I teach you. Not, I don't want me to shout na night. Why would they talk? We go the romance the woman. They touch every part of it, but they know a wicked point. The wicked point when the woman, body will be. I don't carry woman tire. The moment when the woman do like this, the body go change. They let me. Who they disturb you tonight? Who they disturb you tonight? So the time when the woman take clean. The time when the woman take change. You know, say if you touch woman a breast, you see someone they touch her. You go be like say she look and you go by you know say you not get anything. But some women they will figure you not get feeling. But some women now when you put tongue for their ear, you go hear power. You know be listen, may I tell you something? Listen. If you know what you see say, you know what you'll be like say Jan 1 to Jan 2. You hear say, listen to me, I want to tell you say I be man. You say, as you do your by the juice and as a man, they touch that play do. The woman will not excuse we go do you gonna do you gonna touch you gonna touch wait. The next thing you see the woman gonna hold you. Because you don't get the real point. Now when you don't get the wicked point of a woman, it be like say when woman go road work, when he meet or he always sabi if he knock and the woman go release. Now so it be when you carry woman go out. Now it makes some women they release for road work. Not be say the man take their mind. Now because say the man get their wicked point. You dey hear my sister? So this issue where we dey talk, it is when you able to get the woman, you will see the sound of the woman go change. Why it change? You go see the screaming alone, you know say you don't get the wicked point. I be man, I don't touch, I don't see how women be.
If I make I still ask you one question.
Ask me again.
Okay. Now all woman when you come, that is now all screaming, I be re-screaming.
They are fake screaming. Screaming will not be screaming. That be
I can scream for you to come.
Listen, like this screaming where they talk now romance, I never plug her inside your body. Listen, you cannot scream for me to come. Listen, go and sit down there. Listen, let me tell you. Listen.
I feel scream whatever scream I want to scream.
No, make I tell you the type of screaming where you scream. I'll tell you the type of screaming where you scream. Now, when I put her inside your body, now you go scream. And they talk about during the touch, you go after you get the wicked point. Now the woman, listen tell you. Now when you put for woman, the woman don't want me you come buy the scream, make you come here. No service.
If I make ask you another question.
Happy baby.
Woman will not wait. If I may ask you another question. Woman will not they give you joy.
Yeah.
You feel make love with her, may you enjoy her.
I'll tell you say yes. Ask me why. You don't see women they I'll tell you say tell me why. I'll tell you say yes. Now you know woman will not they give you joy. The way you feel, you know, so when this thing don't enter inside, it get where the woman touch you. You know they get joy, but your body. Listen, make I tell you, know they argue.
If you joy, you feel make love with her. Not me say you enjoy her. That's
you enjoy her, my dear sister. You lie. You enjoy her, be man. May I tell you why you tell you enjoy her? Because the touch, you know, say
because you release.
Not because not because you release. All women we get white one. We get one way good. We get one way your where you be say if you put on your day water, those will not be good. You get one way they do. We get different type. So the one where it get if not the good one.
If you put flog inside where they crack, bro.
I can tell you.
This man won't keep me with laugh voice.
I can tell you the truth. You know, she say some women there. May I tell you, say some women, it get where you position them. the whole breeze go dey their body. When you know, you say, boom, boom, po, ta ta ta. Okay, those women. I want to tell you now. You say.
This all give me with love this night too.
Bo, ta ta, bo, ta ta, bo. So you will sit. We are not different. We don't do all. We know how all women say they give. So you see those. You say ta, when it's all the one you blow, the one where they sweet.
Epa.
I want to tell you the one where they sweet now. When you put for a woman, you say get woman when you put in. Now we dey talk so me agbon. Hey Jimmy. Sanu dance the way say. Now that one we dey call me agbon. Why we dey call that one me agbon? When you put on. If a man put on, you go feel. What we dey call you go draw. When you dey go move, you go be like say, oh see, oh baba, oh me. You will be mad. You will say, you go be like on. You know when they lick sweet and sugar, honey. If you put on. Men wey no time talk, we dey discuss, we know. Oh, me, oh, I see where they be. Oh, no, me go. Okay, my sawa. That is, you go want to go double. A lot of women, when you push on your ear, they don't feel say women, no, they know. You're the blow woman. You're the blow, you're the blow man. Tata, bro. Who they give you your love, that way they play you. But they all they disturb you tonight, they give you your love.
If I hear you, no worry, I call the call.
As he give you there, now there you go know. So many women don't know how to play this love. Now, romance, when you romance woman, no, they are the way you suck woman breast. You touch women. The way you touch and romance and kiss woman. Finger, it get where you finger. No say, may I tell you secret way? No. Many people don't know how to. There is, I don't know this palm. Your palm, your leg, your toe, there is power there. When you romance a woman to the toe, now what you want? You say some men like water. Okay, I say your men are not gonna spend your house. Okay, your own water. I say he says some men like no vessel. If your own water, don't worry, your mouth like your own. So if you touch it, if you the romance woman, if you put your if you touch it down of the feet of the woman, you go see. You know, say some women they power now their feet now be their weak point. You dey hear me?
Epa.
I don't romance women.
As some women, but this, as some now 50-50, No for this.
Okay, I want to ask you, my sister. I want to ask you a question.
Wait, if I first talk my own. As some women body not good, now so some men body don't damage. Finish.
Okay, tell me how many will take damage. Tell me how many will take damage.
Okay, one. Some men they when you they look that thing like TV.
They don't fit do the thing.
If I wait, they don't overuse their sex. Some men they once they just climb woman, they just put the thing. Now so before you check waist once, men will leave sugar say they say sugar they do something. No, as woman body they fight, now so man body they fight. So men they want before they climb woman, their body don't before a minute their body don't weak. You need to play with woman for how many minutes for the woman to do okay first before he goes make climb, because once he climb before the woman goes make his fellow spit, he don't come, he don't be like bread when they soak for water. So all those men now men wey don't overuse less their faith, nothing they there again. They never reach 30 years, 35 years. They don't if woman open leg, they don't they look like TV. No me say they don't get that urge to climb, but the sex their own sexual side of it is you just see that as women or as some women own good. You understand me? It's 50-50. As we they see some loose men, and some we see some loose women where they not feel repair again. That one is for that one. What we they talk about here now? Your topic is how to make a woman happy.
Yes.
When I find to say how to make a woman happy is not only through sex. You as a man, You're supposed to you're supposed to know what makes your woman happy. You don't need to work too much for bed, or now your woman go they would tell you say, honey, I'm feeling honey. You don't need to work too much. But by the time your woman is not happy, you are not giving her that joy she needs, then you want her to be responding to you on bed. Is she mad? First of all, that happiness, that joy has to be there before sex. You understand me? That is what I want you to understand. As your topic say, making a woman happy. Is it only by sex you can make your woman happy? Now, little just to make love with woman, they make woman happy. I don't say that one joy, but there you supposed to the main joy when your woman needs, you're supposed to give her first before you come to use sex. They settle her. And any man, which I want to make you understand, any man when a wife or when a girlfriend they happy with, when they give a girlfriend that joy, money is not everything. Let's forget about money now. Let's forget about sex now. Say that joy is there. The woman go they call you when you they work, should they miss you anywhere you they show they feel on me. Anytime she's with you, she wants to climb you because you're giving her that joy. She has that joy in you. But by the time she's not happy inside, what type of romance or love making wants to play with her that will give her that joy she needs from you as a man? You know, no amount of romance sharply you want playing with her when go give her that joy.
I want to ask you a question. Answer me that question. I want to ask you this question now. I want to answer you this question. You want to answer me?
If not the one will I feel answer, I answer
No
now.
women they road, they work, and some people go blow them, they go release. The Oyibo na the amount where they give them joy. Tell me why they release for the Oyibo. Now the omiemi agbon, or na the sugar cane, now the honey, or na the milk. Now make the woman release. Answer me.
If I tell you they put meter, how you tell no say they release?
You want to? You know many women wey don carry unwanted pregnancy for no women wey dey Europe wey be say
unwanted pregnancy is different from release.
I wan tell you how they take release na lis ten to me. Many women, no woman go come out as me dey here go tell me say e no dey release for Igbo. I dey boss. You see women wey dey come for work in the night. So you say wa ome ina wa here. Ome gbo me. Don't forget, don't visit will be Kokobri those times. We go to hear all these things, my dear. All these things. Now waiting we don't know. And no woman fit come out. We don't do. I shall say he never release for Igbo. He go say, oh Igbo son, Igbo day. He know how to twinkle down. Now Igbo teach our women how to take they sleep with women for 1 hour. Because the way the Igbo do, you woman, you never listen to me. Listen me, I tell you.
Black men strong pass Igbo men.
You say black men, okay, you say black men strong pass Igbo. Why Igbo can teach our women 1 hour, 3 hours?
Not be depending, pa. Depending. Because me when I talk to you now, Igbo I marry. Before you don't go free use black man, take compare Oyibo man.
Okay,
that is one.
How black man take the handle you? How Oyibo take the handle you?
Yeah, the only side when I not go argue with you, that road side, maybe you are talking out of experience. Waiting me no I no fit talker. That one is one. Then two, when you're talking now, Igbo man strong past black man. If I not do that mistake again, no. Black men get their natural strongness.
I want to tell you today, and the truth need to be said. Why they say black man? Because when we eat Africa, we know they drink sugar, everything. Oyibo man, now he teach our women how to release. For Oyibo man to listen, hold on. Let me tell you.
Not be Oyibo man teach me. Not be Oyibo man. Me when I dey tell you, when I dey talk to you.
You don't release one day for Nigeria. You will detox so. You don't release for Nigeria. You don't release for Europe.
The guy when it is virgin me, now release when I teach me how to release. Oyibo when I marry, that is not be anything where that guy did.
How the guy teach you how to release? Tell me. For it is something when you start to do the thing. Tell me. It is something our mama know do how to release. When you start on it is something, tell me how you take release. I be 90 something.
I take release. Yeah, I meet my guy at first. If I beg, not make me go in details.
I said,
Not be
you tell
teach
me
me
how you take release the first day. I want more. Tell me how you take release.
The first day, the very first day when I take release, that is, I was not in this world.
I do you that first day. You are not in this world. You call the Jerusalem or the Canaan.
I passed Jerusalem because the field is not waiting person if you describe.
You must describe it. I be. You know, so when woman want release, we will be men. You know, so when woman want release, go hold you tight. You go say, baby, Ada. You go hold you tight. You see some women go press your nash. You go they press her. You go press her. You are your sister. So women go hold you. Baby, hold me tight. Baby, fast. Baby, fast. Baby, fast.
Depend on individuals.
Okay, okay, I want to ask you a question. If you want release, how you take the term? Baby, hold me tight or baby, Ada? Tell me.
As I tell you, as I take the term, baby, hold me like that. You don't already ask me as I take the as they be. I don't already describe.
You never talk. You say you they take you go. You say more than Jerusalem. You know what? The sweetness now waiting God creates. So you need we all now adult. How you take they do you?
I tell you do me as if I want come.
If you want come, I tell you do I be for you.
Yeah, I do hold my guy tight. I do hold him tight to my chest.
You go press and the guy go be fast, Abi.
You supposed to stop before. More than seeing one man. Not be that time I need that most.
Now that time you need that most, you go harder.
Yes, that is the dyewood. Is now I need that most.
Dyewood. What you call that? Cut the name again. Dyewood. Cut the name again. Dyewood. I love this, my sister. He said that is the dyewood. He said that is the dyewood. He used the word dyewood. I love this sister.
May I leave me another person call?
I love this, my sister. Take kiss, take this kiss. Give me two before you go. Give me the kiss too. Give me. Me, I take her. I take her. I love you, my sister. You see this, my sister? He said at that time is the dyewood. Now there be the Ada take come. When you hear some women say Ada, men don't know the inner. You don't know the in total how to do it. Now I make some women know they tell them Ada. The women go they read. You see some women you go they do them. You go they read newspaper. Some say Kelebu don't they read say Kelebu. The man they do. The man say Kelebu. So you see, huh? Woman take talk and well. So ladies, JB Fabulous in the house long time, my good fans. You see how to make a woman happy. Romance queen, kissy queen, touchy queen, and what sexy queen. How to make a woman happy when it comes to what bed meeting. Many women are crying. That's a lot of men cannot make them satisfied when it comes to bed making. Now, as I know here don't talk, so I can't compare tissue now. How will fit a touch woman? You know, touching, it get different grades. You know, some men don't know how to touch. Don't something how to woman to open and make them put on. But some men sabi like me, where sabi. Me and sabi. That is why I want tissue now. But I not sabi to lick bakos. I sabi to romance. I'm fine, JB Fabulous. I'm fine, JB Fabulous. It also, I'm fine, I'm okay. And you? Take this love as number one thing to satisfy your opponents. The problem where you see say a lot of our women become single mother now because a lot of our men don't know how to make them happy. We know so we get someone we don't take discipline, single mother, but we get most disciplined women. They be say many men put them for pains. How did they put them for pains? A man will not know to give a woman joy as that woman talk. Women, they need joy, but not all women. We get women will betray you, will feel betrayed you. Some women they. Now those one are they call Ezanza. You know when I'm talking about Ezanza and women, wherever goes man, you don't born, you see they misbehave. do na exams and some na see married women. No matter how you go do, they not dissatisfied. Because those one, they are real. Know how you take touch and reach. They need to come 3 times a day. The real come of a woman, how to make a woman to kiss and romance is very, very important. A man, put your lips. I was teaching, I did teach before she called in. These lips, take your lips. As I touch and when your ear and don't the ear again. Take this your tongue. Put on for here. Take and touch your eye. Take and touch your nose. Take your lips, take and later carry the tongue again. Go to the ear. Lick the ear. You go the as you lick and they hold the woman. You dey feel where the power dey. Where you dey look where the woman for the pump. You know as you dey do am, you dey see the reaction of the woman. The reaction of the woman go dey change. Take your tongue, come for the ear. Take and go the mouth. Put on, give am again. Put the tongue inside the lips. Baby, come on, baby. Baby, baby, come on, baby. Baby, put on. You see, now so the woman go hold you tight with the tongue. As you draw your mouth near, take your hand well to the mango. As you hold the mango, begin hold the mango. Begin the touch. You know, say all women get great. You very look the woman. If not the one where you like, where they use and do the nipple. Why some women like me you use and hold on? Some women normally use and hold on like this. As you put out, you do the nipple of the woman. As let your tongue inside they kiss all the lips. They do one. Then you go hold on. You go vioy. As you vioy, you go vioy well. Later you go down like this with your hands. Come on, baby. You must delay. Never touch a clean toe. Never touch her. Take your hand, go to the what? The legs. The under of the feet. Use your hand, your leg, touch the under of the feet. Some women get power from under of the feet. If you touch the feet of the woman, use your hand to touch the leg. As you touch the leg, the under of the leg of the woman, you go know the reaction of the woman. As you look the reaction of the woman, you go know whether or not get the power of the woman there. When the woman you get the way, no say when you get the wicked point of the one, there are the reaction. And say, man, concentrate. Your mission is to know the wicked point of the woman, because the woman say you know go into Jerusalem. Now you want me you go into Jerusalem. All you need to do is to teach how to know how to romance the woman. When woman say no one give you, no one play, but now the way you take touch the woman, now the woman go touch the baby, put it inside. Have you touched the leg? Carry and go. You see when you go, you carry the hand again. Come on. Put on the way I zip down. You know when you zip down, as the woman does that, put the leg, shoot on. No, say many men don't know how to twinkle. They don't know how to do view. No, use them. You know some women do. When you pack inside, they help mommy you pack everything inside. No, first use them. Use this one. Get to the ariakoe, do the ariakoe, shake am. No say na that head of ariakoe, na be the sweetness. Use and shake am, put the hand inside, use and shake the ariakoe. No put inside, na just dey touch the head of the ariakoe. People wey know the clean to not be ariakoe. Use and dey rub am. As you dey kiss am, dey touch the woman, but use and rub your ariakoe. As you dey rub the ariakoe, the woman go dey turn. You go dey feed the woman. As you dey no say some women, if they juke am, you go dey pinch finger, you go dey pain the woman. They not that makes some women they do like this. You go they say no injure me, they wound me, because the man don't know how to touch her. Men need to know say na the ariakoe na be the thing. Now that thing na power there. If you know how to touch, romance the ariakoe, touch the ariakoe, kiss the ariakoe, romance the ariakoe. As you romance the ariakoe, take your hand back. As you do want the woman they squeeze, hey baby, tell her say dear, you say baby, you say dear. Baby, dear, He go say, sweetie, honey, sweetie, honey, sweetie, honey, oh baby, you are taking me to the next level. You say, yeah, baby, I want to take you. I'm leading you to Jerusalem, to Jerusalem. You, baby, are you sure? Taking me to Jerusalem, I will take you there. Come on, baby, let me do it. Touching the Oriakoe is another way of romantic queen. Come on, baby, you keep on touching the Oriakoe. As you are doing it, the baby will be feeling it. The next thing you move, never put answer. Never put answer. Never put answer. Later, after the woman, you carry your cassava come out. This time when you carry your cassava come out, your cassava not put her inside. Use your cassava. Not when the woman. Some men don't know you. Not when you put cassava, you use and do like this. Use cassava do the woman like this. You use it till they touch the area quite small. Use the cassava till they touch her. Come on, baby. If they touch the woman, go the one make you put her inside, not put her. Not put her inside. Not when they do, the woman will say, not put her inside. Use on the touch her. Come on, baby. You will say, yeah, dear, put it inside. No, baby, I will put it. You are the user they do the ayakoi, so that you go feel the woman will feel them. This time, so that the woman can want to. You don't go labor yourself when you plug in. Take the woman to Jerusalem. From Jerusalem, you want to take her to the promised land, the Canaan land, because you never reach the Canaan land. You must make sure say the woman do one like this. Come on, oh baby. Now then you see, when you use her and touch her, use your cassava, not put her inside. Use her and touch her yakoe. As you put her, the juice and squeeze her, you'll see the girl. No say all the body go to move. You your mask, everybody will say, come on, baby. You use her and touch her yakoe. Oh, baby. God, shit, man. I got it, man. You make me feel good, baby. Don't put her inside, though. Use her the touch her. Baby, make me feel. You say, baby, put her now. Baby, never reach now. Baby, put her. Baby, I go put her. He go say, put her, I go put her. Baby, how you dey feel me now? He go say, baby, put her. Baby, I go put her. Wait now. Baby, come on. There are the way you touch a woman there. The woman go know na person dey touch her. Many men no know how to make woman happy. I mean, you see a lot of men go dey drug themselves. Drugging yourself cannot help you. Just learn how to romance to make a woman feel happy. We get many grades of romancing. Many grades of romancing. Fred Vincent, everybody have to come. We get many grades of romancing. But a lot of people don't know how to romance. You know, I do tell people that the way you romance a woman, she can never leave you. There are the way you play with a woman. Now the way you play, don't say now juju, not be a juju. The way you take romance, the woman not feel leave you. Some people say now juju, not be a juju. Now the romance, when you romance the woman, now make the woman do okay. Many people don't know. But today, I can teach you now small. How to romance and make a woman happy. May I give anybody, any one person who will feel call. If anybody dey, will feel call. Now, I give you 1 minute. Who go feel call? Make it call. I give you 1 minute to call. Anybody wey know say go feel call now, he go call. You say you say my soup don't finish, or anybody wey go call, go call. After this, anybody that can call, can come. You understand? That is why now me they tell people say it good make people they do something wey go give joy to a life. Many people don't know how to make a woman happy. Now I can give you now. So audience, caller for 1 minute. I give people call. Those who can call now. I give people to call for a minute. Those who want to call, you can call now for a minute. I give people to call now. Those who don't say one call, I give you time to call. Call. Those who want call, I give you time, call. Because now I don't teach you. I want to hear from people a minute before I round up. Who want to call, you can call now. Now you want to call me the guy now, you want to call me. Call. Who want to call now? May I hear from her? So after this, I want to close her now. Don't teach you in a few minutes. More use and enjoy on herself. You say what you they run for? Cynthia love, you say what you they run for? Who want to make it call now? Diamond baby. A diamond baby. Diamond love. You want to now me want call say welcome. Those who want to call and let me hear. Una be women make una call now. Before I want go, I want hear from una small. All the ladies in the house, una can't tell me how una take like me, ma take touch una. Una no want talk. Now, this segment don't come to an end today. I will wait for the next segment. Wait, be say I will come teach you now. Okay? I love you now. I will always love you now. My beautiful people. I see all of una face. I see all the fine girls here. All of una fine way they here. But una no want una they fear to call. Well, but I don't give una one expo. May I pick caller again. Hello?
Hello, Epa. Not be you I dey talk to. Now people when they write to themselves say I don't run. Now they ask them say what I dey run for.
They say you don't know.
You understand? Those people when they food themselves there. You bring that topic, I say my mind. So I know anybody mouth make they not say their mind.
Okay, they say you won't say you know right and well. You know feel with me.
No, they say Nama call me. The time when they call me, Nama call me. Whether na Susan, I don't know whether my brother call me. Whether my brother they marry. The other one say I take the husband as an abomination, brother. If take the how I be. Woman come out, come follow on our chat. Don't me say the woman.
They don't know you now.
Make una respect una self.
Hello. You now know social media. Hello.
Fun. We are here to enjoy ourselves to get fun. I'm not doing a class. I'm sorry, I'm not due to all respect. Please, I'm not referring to everybody.
Oh yeah, they talk. You don't let me. I want sip now. I want sip now. I go put this thing for my shirt now.
No, the guy said I don't run. Now reply and say, wait till I dey run for. More than see one man. Wait till I want run for. I say my mind. If you are man enough, you come out to say your mind.
You know, say many.
Everybody getting free speech to talk.
You know, say many make cassava. They know they work. You don't know.
Can you just imagine? We are here to get fun, to catch fun. Everybody feel get if he say in mind, not missing a waiting they do. So all those the locomotive ones when their brain don't do under their feet, no not take off on a tongue. If na a fair show na take they learn how to write. I bet my brother now that one I just want the face, not be you as the talk with. Now that man when this when that wrong. I tell you I don't know for anybody.
The lady say no. Now I come back and no. My number is at my wall. Those who want to call, my number is at my wall. I give you a few minutes. After a few minutes, I'll quit out of the line. I don't give you advice. This is workers in German. So I don't give you all the secrets. We're gonna know. We're gonna enjoy. My people, now my story out of the massive queen. Now teach you how to do. Love you all. See you next on my program. Since I just given her this small one, that's why I teach you how to show them. When I take care, when I use this one. Another caller don't come. Now guy be this one, Germany. Hello?
Love you.
Hello?
See you next time.
Go on. Go on, my brother.
Prepare yourself.
I greet you. You were your two women owe you for your WhatsApp. Tonelo. Go on.
When our family.
Go on. No way for the watch and maybe they talk.
Okay, go. Hey, but that container I won't call last say free.
You were two women. Oh, now you find another woman.
If I mean, they are my cousins. I'll be tacky.
So one owe you for your broadcast now. And they look there now. If this picture where I see the way you take you and my brother. Be like say you now sharp your cassava and a strong one.
If I'm surfing.
I'm what me they see for years so. You strong.
If I got almost what could just say if I beg, answer whether it's free. You get what?
Not later we go. That woman, whether I free.
But after
you like the voice. What? The woman are very responsible women with sexy voice. Okay.
I'm not a responsible man.
You are a responsible man. Okay, I will ask her. Let me pick up that call then. Okay?
All right, sir.
Yeah, Hello? Hello, yeah.
Yeah, I like your topic this week.
Thank you, my brother.
And get one woman when you called before.
Yes.
The area where that woman they drive, where they try drive, or get away.
Yes.
She they try make you understand that maybe like you get some couple now when they go there as when they say they not go get maybe the man or the woman not go get feelings for each other. You understand me? Maybe one not get feeling for one. Say he not get the other party go do and reach when go make that woman satisfied. Not be say not go fuck her, not go release or not go come up, but he not go enjoy based on say that feeling not did there between two of them.
Mm-hmm.
Now waiting she they try let you know at that first time. I mean the Oibo wife now they talk on.
Yes.
Where I call you before. So in terms of maybe satisfying a lady, it's different from that area when she herself they drive to just now. It gets some person when be say man, not be your girlfriend, not be your wife. No, that the jam, there with the jumps on opportunity like that. Maybe we still go party or one thing or the other, carry one or she call us from there. You get the way you take play with her, you go confess, give you say never receive this kind of thing before. Not be your girlfriend, not be say they make her happy. And they make that woman they know now. So not be only for maybe partner. Maybe they not did to as the day in good things, and they make person they dissatisfied. You can pick a roadside worker, you go make her satisfied. Me don't pick, although na Lagos there, I don't pick one roadside worker. Money when me with a price as I satisfy the way I take touch her, he they would tell me say, brother, forget about the money.
Okay.
That's for waiting. You understand me? So in terms of maybe touching a woman, everybody not be the same. No, all women they not get one wicked point. Woman fit day when be say if you kiss your forehead, it don't fall finish with that. So day if you touch your lip, it don't fall finish with that. Their wicked parent is different. But if man want me woman come, not just me say as you just come, you enter bed, you touch and small, you enter there, your poop and say it go come, no lie. If you feel discover the main point when you go feel make and dissatisfied, if you even touch themselves, even though you know poop any sister, she go dissatisfied. You understand me? So you see this first thumb for hand, so it dey work for woman body well. This first finger, this short one when they said, if you be use that for
okay, the short finger, this one,
that short finger.
This short finger, they work for woman body. I tell you what, teach me how to do this.
If you be use that, I swear, that woman not gonna forget you.
The short finger.
You see that clitoris. Before the clitoris, there is something that cover the clitoris.
Ariako, eh?
Oh, woman, you understand me? Before you touch there, if you touch that clitoris, let the second finger be inside the vagina.
You will say the ariako if you touch the ariako.
Ariako ni. Mami upono kaoni agaro. They not no lelo bono kaoni or with the vagina. You understand me? Then the other left hand, ogo weni. Then okpabo ya arukbe wonge.
Oh, me agbo.
Then where you boka ani, my brother, where you boka ani, wa vie me yo eho. Then we wa can just wa move wa. We go have sweet words. Wa vie yo eho. My brother, all the time we need to my way. I'm telling you the truth. You can wear my you take time away. So there are many ways. I have touch you. You understand me? Ome girl ni move asopa. We make it touch for my brother. Before me ke we me anyi re subunu ba no hine.
Oh, me
Egeni me anyi we ya fe to no do kama na we. Onodo that is yegi wet na we dey do abana woso no. We be ready na yema me o dey now you wet now you come. We need to be here. You be na yema o my so do man me come go na ovi o kan. The matured good lady.
Oh, everywhere was we wa go man.
Baba. Me to be me mana romance me enjoy we ni. Me to be me mana romance me enjoy. O me kiri me romance say the be me na gbagbe say we right now. Akia nyena. So my brother ani ene kere ni we ni riete.
O bi agbon in Adeba West.
Tomo.
Yeah. Hey, Opiana, Ori Guana Mina say, this guy will cause on a bad guy. After I don't talk, he say, my brother will talk, just like he won't feel out during the talking. After I don't talk, finish, he goes say, my brother feel out, he Jimmy Omiamiagbo, Ariakoi. After this, my guy talk, he goes say, the guy feel am. For him for the talk, he can remember the way he take to the woman. Now he say, that thing where the guy take cut phone. He say, una no hear the sound where take preach am. I read this guy grade 1. He come out from first class. I give this guy first class. No say, we dey get in and sit first class. I still give him first class. Because this guy talk now well. And after he finish, when he say, guy, may I leave you? Me if you want me for, he can say, that automatically, this guy sabi work. Any woman will deal with this guy, don't go regret. You go enjoy this guy. This guy is my second guy. This guy too, he talk now. Me myself, I feel. I know so many women don't they twerk don't they throw away a bit. When they come, how many women they feel the touching and the coming, because touching You know, when you put, you know, this guy talks something, how we go take romance woman, touch am well. Okay, abaphobia, akobephobia. He said that akobephobia. Now he told this guy na bad shooter. Touching a woman, romancing a woman. He said when you use this guy say you use this finger, take touch the area. He said this small finger. He said put on take do the clean toe. He get we say you use this. Me, I never use this small finger do one before. I go try am. This guy say me I made them see you. Because we all delay, I go try this small finger take know how to do the area coil. Because we know say that the area coil na power there. Go carry one for answer me, you take slave. That guy na bad shooter. He say when you put this small area coil for the, he say you use the other one. This one, say see the way the guy, this guy put this one, put these two. See how the guy finish work. These two dey in down. This one they hold the area coil. You know say they do and these two go they touch it down. A guy now, you be bad guy. This guy na bad guy. This guy na bad guy. If you put on me and they put this one for the area, and they use the other two, they do and they do like this now. Me, I use myself at the own position and they speed the area coil. This guy know the work. This guy, you be sharp, yo. This topic, we go postpone now. Because me not be say me can go. Me and now you can go the easy me go. Me I not come no. Because me I not fit come without I no do everything. I say I be man, not be want to take another caller. Hello. Hello. Yeah.
Sorry, you still doing that, Abi?
I do like yes.
Okay. Moka Koban, there is something I want to add to it. You know, when having sex with a woman, some people, once they don't do a little play, they will just put the penis inside and start throwing the waste. No. When you are having the sex, you can also be playing at the same time. Understand me? So there are some position you will position a woman, a lady. There is some position you will position her.
Yeah, program. Use program. Use program. Not use correct English. You are a program. Use
Okay. A position so get some kind of position where you position woman. You let that make it fall out way. You see that there no woman when be say get from the clitoris wicked point day.
Okay.
So when you dey hammer and when you dey give her from back or from front, you enter. Still let that your first hand. Let that your first hand still they play con that clitoris, Baba. As you they do one, they use that. Baba, they don't know when they go take. In fact, everything when they say, but when go take fan, everything come out. And they tell you the truth.
You go tell you, baby, I get 1,000 you, I get 15,000, and so I sleep with John. Now so John slash me from you. Now so John say he love you. Now so tell you say want take it from me.
They go say now maybe now as now all those central boys say they eat then a lie, but the way they say they hammer them. You see that their clitoris so you get the way you will position and when you they give them, you they use now they play for that place. Now they be their wicked point. You no go know when they go take open mouth give you. You understand me? So in many there are some of our men.
Talk and say, they talk now. Talk and say, excuse this cup just now. Go on, they talk. Go on.
Some of our men, if they have sex with women, after they don't play a little play, they all put penis inside. They throw away their hand, throw away their leg. You begin to do upper tension.
What you call that upper tension?
Upper tension. You understand me?
So don't be like that.
There is a way when you go position your penis inside the toto. But
you say your
this your hand will go give you so. This hand will go give you so. Because there are so many places when the woman, but when busy man, you go fit touch when you go make her satisfied. Even though you know even say yourself, when you would touch and you would be dissatisfied. Now he will tell you, say, after this, okay, I want sleep, I'm tired. You understand me? Yeah. So, not be only to just choke and miss, I just do a big. You come. Now you be say, you go dissatisfied and lie. You understand me? So, when you dey touch those areas, and you dey gear, not your fast, not the fast, they give a bag, softly they put on inside. Go bless you, not the gist. You know understand? Go bless you, not the gist. They give us some kind of sweet words. Baba, I can't feel the real
my guy, Oju Wagboga Vien, Wagwa romance. This now Ju. You are now your bishop be this. You are handsome guy.
Na me.
You are handsome guy. Color from Germany. I you never make a lot of women become single mother for Germany with this your sweet man too. How you say?
No. Me don't even get woman for Germany. I don't even
because
for
Germany
Europe.
Nobody say they call me so you sweet finish now. You sweet finish. You look handsome.
I don't even get to.
You don't want from all those Germany single mother.
I don't be me at all. I don't want me that she got me.
You know what I mean? She
yeah, well like that. It too much.
But as you handsome rich and you know all this time. You sure say you never make about 4 single mother?
No. I don't get to.
This guy now handsome.
You get the way you go. See, Baba, you get the way you go. No get where be say I don't date where be say me. As me and you they talk now. Sometimes they marry. Even for Benin, for Nigeria, say they still look for my contact. They call me. Sometimes they see me for Facebook. They see me Yoruba for waiting now. You have married already. I don't need them again.
Any girl when you don't friend must always
they don't marry. They're gonna tell me all those kind nonsense. I said no, I don't need that. You understand me? Yeah. So, but for me, no, I know now white. I just deal with it, pa. Since I enter abroad, I'm just spending 3 years here now, but now white I deal with it.
3 years they spend for Europe, so. I
just spent 3 years now.
You just spend 3 years, you know all the style, man. You be champion. If you spend 7 years,
you don't even enter the game.
Now this guy don't be.
We they come out for Benin go block mama for Abuja that year.
That make you know. Now they block mama for. That make you know all this guy. This guy because 3 years in Europe, you know style pass me way don't they? The way you take touch.
I go even forward some styles. I go even forward and give you nana. Or me I don't send and give you me sure for site.
Show me some style, the position. May I look this style like the babe. Send them for me.
No, I go send and give you. Not be only like that. Make I just the knock am from front or change your back or raise your nyash. It gets time when you go do on top of ball. You feel fuck.
On top of waiting board.
On top of football when they play, so you feel carry woman put fuck.
On top of ball.
And they clear you the matter.
On top of ball.
You see all those big ball when they put for
on top of ball, you put woman, you go. Okay, how you take the one? You go out put woman for, but you go to.
I go send you the. I go send you some diagram. Understand me? I go send you some diagram.
Send me.
You see this kitchen cabinet and also this kitchen cabinet, get the way you position woman put if you give her baba go forget to.
Me I see her.
Don't be lie.
You never send me. If you send me later, I'll hear. Thank you very much. God bless you.
This thing give you nana.
Thank you. Send me. Okay, ciao.
Never end down.
Never end down. Send on me. I see her. I want to see the star where you talk. I want to see the star.
Mm-hmm. So people believe if you just carry woman now,
boy, this guy you be bad guy. This guy na bad guy. Oh me I go.
When you those positions when I did the way you try one with woman after when you don't play with them, you try one. I don't go forget you. I swear.
See position. This don't be wait. May I look all this position? Position 1, position 2, position 3, position 4, position 5, position 6, position 7, position 8, position 9, position 10, position 11, position 12, position 14, 15, 16. Oh, bio, this position. Now this one they do our women for road work. Now make for clubbers. Now make our women not they satisfy. Now I know why. Now make some women will talk say the way we both take position. See position. How we black or say now
when I tell you for them.
this position when me see so. When me all this position so. Some position there here when me never do I no go lie.
Just try them. All those positions, Baba forget to. You see that ball?
These people bad oh.
No, wala Baba later now.
Oh my brother, thank you for this position. See oh me agbon. Tell me, don't say Oyibo. How you can't tell me Oyibo bring this guy to show them. Oyibo bring this thing. See sweet. All these sweet things Oyibo show. Now Oyibo do all these things. There are some style here we never do. I need to do them now. Maybe the husband was a single mother. I need to do these styles. We have many styles which we are going to practicalize. And this one are direct history. This one goes sweet. This one are Buster. Get the work done. This guy, we don't worry, we are going to practicalize all this time. These are my topic where I want to teach people how to enjoy, how to make, how to position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 21, 22. But this time, many agbon. These are style where you take handle women. And I want to see now the next topic I'll show now, not show now. I will show now next week. All this style I will show now, but I'll practicalize one. Next week I will show now. I want to know how you enter that one way. I want to try one for the one we I never do. I need to try one for the one we I never do. You know, say a teacher. Teacher must study to teach. So I need to study from this one to teach people. I need to study one so that if I dey talk how if it go inside, whether they go well or not. If I never study those one, I don't fit teach you now. So I need to go study IB. Study IB. No sabi Kokobiri master now. I get wife, I get babe, I get girlfriend, I get mamas, I get all. So I will study how to do it. After the study, then I will know which one I will make one know like next week. So I need to study and which one. And if I know how to defend this type, they ask me if they enter where I say they enter, and you know they enter, I go not know where they enter. You understand? I need to study first of all. Without not studying a lie. I need to study, man. I love you. This is Mona Shoes and Sleep. And God bless every one of you. Have a wonderful night. Sweet dream. Love you. I remain the Kokobiri master. Osman to all single mother. We here to show how do you make a woman happy when it comes to what? Bed. Watch out on the next segments. I love you. Keep on with Uyedo for the next week's Saturday to know the next segment of the show on all the different styles how to make a woman happy. We are all learning. We are going to study and work together as one. So God bless you. Have a wonderful night. Good night. Ciao. Sweet dream. Ciao.